DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, you already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab, you already know. Yeah man, gang, you see what we deal with today, you know man. You don't know crazy vibes and crazy reaction in there, you know. Yeah man, lad, you have been requesting this one, so big up on yourself, all the Dan Mafia member that have been requesting this one. Yeah man, today you see what they are with. It's a Eddy G season. You see me, I'm there with Skelly as well, you know, so don't forget, you know. Yeah man, and the one named Sheesh. You see me, everybody requesting this one. It's a vibe. You don't know it's a Eddy G season. Eddy G Bomba been doing this thing, man, and Skelly Dan, bad artist or reacted to, you know, when I first artist react to this thing, Skelly Dan, you know, and bad artist, dog, and dog are doing vibes. So I'm glad to see two dog them link up. I'm want to see them a deal. You see me, the one named Sheesh. I check it out and see dog them a deal. Now all the vibe much longer, gang. But before you that, hit the like and subscribe button on the way to 10K. You already know what time it is, gang. Trying to hit that before Christmas. You already know. Yeah, man. Eddy G, Bomba, Skelly Dan, Sheesh. Let's get it. Remember good. Come in. Bomba class, sheesh. Hey, I like it, come in.
Yo, Skelly. Put there some big boy balling. Tell I kept myself in zip by talking. When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. But the bitch has something dick high falling.
Hold on. This man full of too much. This man, so the hey. You see, I name Eddy G Saucer, dog. The man have too much sauce, but the man should name Bomba. Yo! Man should name Eddy G Alfredo sauce, but the man's style and swagger just different. Eddy G, hey. I feel like, hey. See this nigga, Craft, Mali. That have a sick style. Them man swag, hey, yo. Eddy G Bomba. The man swag turn up, bro. The man sauce, the man vibe just come in, bro. Man, I bring his style to dance hall again, bro. Man, I bring his... Hey, come in now, man. Listen to the vibes just... Skip by dog power. Night time, the dog set up. Oh, I go on. Vibes, no man, come in, huh?
Yo, Skelly. Put there some big boy balling. Tell I kept myself in zip by talking. When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. But the bitch has something dick high falling. Jeez.
You see that dog coming back? I found it. Hey.
Jeez. Yeah, they gonna take we like. Check it, G's every price. Let me be real precise and get this rectified.
What me say, dog? Eddy G, bro. What me say, the man have full of too much sauce and too much swag, dog. The man have become one of my favorite artists, dog, for react to, for listen to the hey. The man said they couldn't take we like. Check it, G's every price. He said it. Listen.
When we pull up spaceship, sky falling.
Come in now, man.
Yo, Skelly. Put there some big boy balling. Tell I kept myself in zip by talking. When we pull up spaceship, sky falling.
We'll pull up spaceship, sky falling, brother. Come in now, man.
Bitch, I suck my dick high falling. Jeez.
Oh, man, listen to the verse where they're gonna come in. Eh.
Jeez. Yeah, they gonna take we like. Check it, G's every price. Let me be real precise and get this rectified. Me spend at 25, they feel electrified. Me full me neck with.
Let me get precise. Me spend at 25, brother. I want. Hey.
It look like paper light. We reach a 7 night. Me drink the Henny white. Your girl like catch a vibe. Me cocky will a light. They see a devil eyes.
Girl like catch a vibe. Me cocky will a light. I need, don't just listen to the stars, you know, listen to the dog. Hey.
When I'm 25, they feel electrified. Me full me neck with ice, it look like paper light. We reach a 7 night, me drink the Henny white. Your girl like catch a vibe, me cocky will a light. They see a devil eyes, girl you a Gemini. I find
Bomba, yeah, they might say me full me neck with ice, he look like pepper light. Come on.
DJ I don't take it, yeah. But there's some big boy ballin'. Tell I kept myself in zip pipe talking. When I pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling. Jeez.
When we pull up, what? Spaceship sky falling. I want to hear, man. Come in, talk to them. Talk to them, Eddy. Come in.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
Yes.
Sheesh.
Yes.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Skelly the funny?
No make she tell her she knock in her head.
No.
That got a big offense. You feel she innocent, she trick you and she trick your friend. You heard it be my red.
That's facts. That's facts. Hey, what man say? Man say no make she tell her she not. Cause that a big offense. Hey.
Sheesh.
Talk to them, Eddy.
Sheesh.
Talk to them.
Sheesh.
Talk to them, Mr. Bomba. Talk to them, man. But then put them.
No make she tell her she knock in her head. That got a big offense. You feel she innocent, she trick you and she trick your friend. You heard it be my rev. Girl, you better prick your neck. I'm a dog, Jiffy Benz. We not do no little flex. They say me recover.
Yeah, they be my rev. Girl, you better kick your neck. Hey. Hey, Eddy. Easy. Hey.
A big offense. You feel she innocent, she trick you and she trick your friend. You heard it be my rev. Girl, you better prick your neck. I'm a dog, Jiffy Benz. We not do no little flex. They say me recurrent. Maybe BC man belt. Eddy, I reset tech. I could have prison cell. So me not listen them. When them a
Eddy, I reset tech. I could have prison cell. So I mean all this.
recurrent, maybe BC man belt. Eddy, I reset tech. I could have prison cell. So me not listen them. When them a give comment, preach like me live already. And me I live again. But there's some big boy ballin'. Tell I kept myself in zip pipe talking. When I pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling.
Easy yourself, big up yourself, Ivani. Anyway, there, mama. Go on.
Sheesh. 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 Sheesh.
What?
Sheesh.
Skelly there.
Nothing not clean like they be my when they wash.
Talk to them now, man. Talk to them now, all white, you know. Talk to me good. Oh, man, nothing no clean like you be my when you wash. Hey!
Nothing not clean like they be my when they wash. She know that they want a picture when she snap. Break your pop, asking a scratch. Let the caca make me buy a zinger back. We never kept this on, I'm not go check the stats.
Hey.
But a Hennessy 15, that's or not.
Ha! This is VT, that's all that, brother. What?
It's on the rock, move on the yacht. Move on, watch it, better check and make it up. But there's some big boy ballin'. Tell I kept myself in zip pipe talking. When I pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling. Sheesh. 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 Sheesh.
Hey, Eddy. You dog full of sauce, you know, man. Stop playing it. Eddy G says, skip done. Yo, we need a Eddy G and Skipper. We need a Eddy G and Skipper collab. No to one night time, man. You see me night time. What you mean?
Sheesh.
Here, man. Mr. Bomba. But now you Skelly down, come in there. How are you going? Mr. Bomba. Pan them head top. Come in, man. That's a vibe. Yeah, man. Sheesh. Hose and skirt. To you. Yeah, man. Eddy G, Bomba, Skelly down. Sheesh. To you with just some big boy balling. Tell that cap off his sick. I talking. But Ivani, big up yourself for your day, Bomba. Yeah, man, you don't know what time it is now. You don't know what time it is, you get my sleep on some wine, you see me? You got the focus. Focus. Yo, bossy, yeah, man, sweeter. Focus on the thing, no camera. Anyway, you don't know what's funny. Exclusive. Nah, sure. camera. Anyway, gang, hit the like and subscribe button. You see what I say? And the road to 10K. If you like it, definitely show that to Sullivan Sport. Make you know say dance. You see me? They have a vibe, man. Eddy Bomba, bad artist, bro. You see me? I say? Bad artist, crazy artist. So they all look out and see where dog take it. Definitely have a place in the dance hall. That bring back the swag and the niceness and the vibes. Even though we have some artists that do the thing too, but that bring a sauce to it. Make your man know say, yo, can't be creative again, you know, step out on the box, you know, sauce it up, swag it up, make it fun. Bring back the fun in a dance hall. You see me? I say, gang. So, yeah. The dog do that. So, anyway, gang, you don't know about Jambisco. They are now hit and a smasher. Now, bang the next time. Gang, you don't know. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.